Getting amazing skin tones isn't about having the most expensive camera, it's about how you use it first. Always shoot in RAW. It gives you way more control over white balance and color in post, something JPEG just can't do in second. Lighting is everything. Natural light, especially golden, R makes skin glow indoors. Use window light or bounce your flash for soft, even tones. Third, check your white balance. Auto can be way off. Set it manually or correct it in post to avoid those weird green or orange casts in editing. Use the HSL panel to gently adjust skin tones, less saturation, slight hue shifts. And don't forget the calibration tab, it's a secret weapon for dialing in beautiful, balanced skin. And finally, know your camera's color bias. Some lean warm, others cool. Learn it, correct it, and you'll get pro-looking skin tones no matter your gear. Great skin tones come from your eye, not your equipment. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying the content and want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and lets me keep bringing you more photography tips, behind the scenes shoots, and everything in between. Thanks for being part of the journey.